Hi there, everyone. Meteorologist Adam Claibon here with you. The weekend is here, and we are going to continue to see more of a warm-up. That will mean higher snow levels, and that will be the big focus here of what we're going to be seeing over the next few days, because it's going to be raining on the passes where we've just dealt with and gotten a lot of snow. Why? Well, this feature right here that you see out over the Pacific, that line of clouds, it's heading our way, and it's bringing in some subtropical moisture that will be heading our direction. And we're not talking about a major atmospheric river by any means. It will put down a good amount of rain for some spots, but it's going to be tapping into some heavier rainfall for us once we head on into the latter part of more the weekend. Maybe even some of us picking up on some of the rain throughout the day tomorrow. But more of that here in a second. First, a look back at the snow totals here since Tuesday. Really impressive. So we got some snow to melt. That's what really we're getting at here, is that the warmer air that's going to be coming on in, which is going to bring our highs back into more of the 50s. We'll raise those snow levels up to about maybe 7,000 or 8,000 feet by the time we head into early next week, and a drier period ahead for us too. Here's a look at what's happening. You can see radar. It's quiet as we head on into late Friday night, early into Saturday, but next system will be heading its way on in, and that's going to bring in the rain. So let's kind of time it out for you. You can see as we head throughout Friday night into early Saturday morning, 5 o'clock there, nothing as far as rain yet, but then it moves over the Olympic Peninsula. That will be more of a theme here. The Olympic Peninsula getting hit with a lot more of this rain than many of us farther to the east, which we'll see our heavier pockets, but the Olympic Peninsula just keeps getting hit more and more and more through the weekend and into the start of next week. As we can see right here, Sunday afternoon, still more rain coming out from over the Pacific. You can see that line just kind of draped and stretched out over the Pacific, really gathering a lot of moisture and directing it right at parts of western Washington here. Now it gets off towards the north as we head on into more Monday evening and Monday night, and by Tuesday we start to see things drying on out. And check out this theme right here too. You can definitely tell a lot of dry weather across a good portion of the western U.S. This is going to be an area of high pressure down across the parts right here, and this ridge is going to build for a while. And this is going to keep a lot of that dry weather in place as we go throughout not only just the latter part of next work week, but into the following weekend and possibly even into the beginning of the following work week. Before that happens, though, we have some decent rain totals ahead for us. Those of us closer to Puget Sound and around the I-5 corridor, about 1/4 to an inch, so could be some higher amounts, but definitely nothing major with any of that. Higher amounts, too, into the northern Cascades, and then, yeah, there's the Olympic Peninsula getting hit with the highest amounts of rain, projected at least, here as we head on into the next few days, between 1 to 2 to possibly 3+ inches of rain. Your forecasted highs for Saturday will be in the upper 40s to low 50s, and then looking at your forecast next 7-day stretch, we'll keep those highs in the 50s. Pretty warm day heading into Tuesday as we top off at 56 degrees, and then that dry weather comes in with those clouds and fog in the morning and then afternoon sunshine. All right, everyone, try to stay dry here over the weekend and have a great weekend.